How to hide mentions on Instagram story. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application, and it will actually lead you here to your home page or your feed area. So the next thing that you want to do is to actually create an Instagram story. Now to do that, let's say let's just take a pic of this, and then you can actually mention that person. There's another option. You can actually at that person, mention that person, and just hide it somewhere. There, you can hide it all the way there, and you can still mention that person. Or the other option is if you click on your story here, if we go back here, as you can see, there are three dots here for more, and then there is an option such as add mentions. Then you could directly add that person, search for that person, and add that person without actually seeing a text on mentioning them. So basically, that is how you hide mentions on Instagram story. If it doesn't work, make sure to check if you've updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.